Welcome to ABC Behavior Training, disseminating the science of ABA to everyday behavior analysts. If you're not already signed up to my weekly newsletters, you're already missing out on new products, free CEUs, and huge savings. Check it out at abcbehaviortx.com. Hi guys, this is Melissa with ABC Behavior Training, and I'm coming to you today with an exciting announcement that I have just introduced my first behavior analytic planner. So you might be wondering, why do you need a planner geared specifically towards behavior analyst? Why not just pick up a $15 planner from Walmart or Staples? First of all, look at this. It's huge. Now, it's nothing that you can't easily carry around, but it is over 300 pages of everything you need to do your job all in one place. And some of the stuff in here is actually going to help you do your job better. Anyone that knows me knows that I am obsessed with planners. Now, I'm not obsessed in that I get the pretty tape and the stickers and everything and make every week look like an art project. I love those types of planners, and if you are somebody that does that, then that is awesome, and you can absolutely do that in this planner. But I'm obsessed in the way that I try to make them as functional as possible. I have tried regular planners, teachers' planners, productivity planners, bullet journaling. I have tried pretty much every type of planner out there. But they always end up getting tossed aside as it was never exactly what I needed. I always end up needing to supplement with some other sort of document, either something on my computer, a notebook, maybe a binder of printed out documents that I need, like tech evaluation or some client information. I could never find a planner where I could just keep everything all in one spot. And that's what I've made here with this behavior analytic planner. If you're familiar with my website, then you probably know that I love technology. I can make almost anything in Excel with formulas. So why would I want to use a pen and paper planner instead of having all of this digital? Well, there is just something about the tactile sensation of crossing something off of your to-do list or checking a box, highlighting something, and being able to have all of your client and tech information at the flip of a page, of course, while remaining HIPAA compliant. There really is nothing like this out there right now geared specifically towards behavior analysts. Trust me, I have looked. So let's take a look at what is inside the professional edition of the Behavior Analyst Planner. All right, now let's take a look at a month. So this is a 6-month planner. Obviously, you've got lots of stuff in here. So we have over here on the side, there is a notes section. Important dates, again, it can be personal work, whatever it is. And then for your client info, this section right here where it says supervision hours, I'm going to flip over to another calendar so you can see. Here we go. It actually is blank over here. So this, you might not be able to see it, but this says clients, and then this area is blank. So you can put whatever you want here. Then down here we have a next month to do, and then also on each one there is a different quote that is behavior analytic in nature for each month, so a different one for each one. This first one says, "Don't become a mere recorder of facts, but try to penetrate the mystery of their origin," and that's by Ivan Pavlov. And then these are the weekly views. So just to go over what that's going to look like is you have Sunday through Saturday here. You have little boxes here so you can write the dates in. You write your own week up here. There's a notes section over here for you to write whatever. Habit data, which I highly recommend using. I mean, we take data on our clients all the time. I always have to take data on myself too for goals that I'm trying to reach. I have 5 boxes here because really you shouldn't try and do above 5. And then for each day, we have the top 3 priorities. So what are you focusing on in your top 3 wins? All right, let's take a closer look at this client monthly summary page. Up here at the top is a summary of your hours. Like this is just your quick view. The next thing that we have is the quick tech evaluations. This is just like a quick, you're there in the session, you need to take a quick snapshot of how the tech is doing. So this is going to help you with that, and it's right there in your planner for you. You have 20 of them for every month. just has one page at the end of every month because this is just your like final summary form. So you're going to say what month it's for, list your clients out here. This is just their authorization tracker. So for direct hours, and you can even write very similar for the staff, but again, we're going to have this, and this is going to be a tech list. Again, this is one at the end of every month. So I hope you enjoy it, and I look forward to seeing you in a video again soon. Thank you. Thank you for joining me today. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on social media to get exclusive access and discounts available only to my followers. Now go out there and make a difference using ABA.